In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to a report in Looker Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a fresh page inside an existing report so you can expand your analysis without disturbing what's already there. First, open Looker Studio in your browser. This used to be called Data Studio, so don't be surprised if you still see that name in some places. From the home screen, you'll see your recent and shared reports. Find the report you want to update and open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. This keeps your reports and permissions intact. When your report opens, check whether you're in viewing mode or editing mode. If you see an edit button near the top, click it. Editing mode unlocks the menus and tools you'll need to make changes. If you don't see the option to edit, you may not have edit access to that report, so you'll need to request permission from the owner before proceeding. With the report in editing mode, look toward the top toolbar for the page menu. It sits alongside options like File and Insert. Click Page to reveal actions related to the pages within your report. From that page menu, choose New Page. Looker Studio will add a fresh blank page to your report. You'll notice a clean canvas and, depending on your layout, a page navigator that shows your new page alongside the others. This doesn't alter your existing pages, so it's a safe way to experiment or separate sections of your analysis. Now that the new page is in place, you can start adding charts. Use the chart icons in the toolbar or the insert menu to pick the visualization you need, such as a time series, bar chart, or scorecard. When you place a chart on the canvas, the right-hand properties panel lets you select the data source, dimensions, and metrics. The report's existing data source will usually be available right away. If your chart looks empty at first, it's often just waiting for you to choose the correct fields or date range. Finally, you can change the theme and layout to make the page match your report's design. Open Theme and Layout on the right to choose a preset theme or adjust colors, fonts, and backgrounds. In the Layout section, you can fine-tune the canvas size, set the page background, and enable grid options that help you align elements consistently with the rest of your report. That's it! You've added a new page, started placing charts, and aligned the look and feel with your existing content. Changes save automatically, so you can move on confidently to building out your new analysis.